All right, hi all. So today we're going to talk about the difference between a couple of functions. So we're on 1A, and our topic here is going to be about even and odd degree functions. Okay, and so what makes something even, what makes something odd? So an even number is 2, 4, 6, 8, dot, dot, dot. Odds are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, dot, 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 okay? And so based on even and odd will tell you your shape of your graph. So odd degree will look something along the lines like this, where arrows go in different directions. Now, if you're talking about even degree, your arrows will go in the same direction. So usually you have two arrows going up or two arrows going down. And again, these are the generic drawings of it, okay? Like a happy face, sad face. Or if you're to think of those like weird like face structures that they're going in different angles, that would also be even degree. So arrows are same direction. So if I were to kind of go over an equation though, you look for the highest exponent, and that'll tell you what the picture of your graph will look like. So our first example, if I have f of x equals negative 3x plus 5x to the fifth power, this 5 tells me it is going to be an odd degree, which means the arrows will go in different directions. Now, we won't know if they go up or down until later. Okay, so now, what about if I look at a graph? So example number 2, if I make a quick sketch, okay, would this be an odd function or an even? Well, this would be odd, and the reason being is that the arrows are going in different directions. Okay? Example number 3, f of x equals x squared minus 5x plus 2. Okay, taking a look at this, would this be even or odd degree? Well, you look at the highest exponent, and this would be even. Okay, so if you needed a couple of practice problems here, let me make a couple of them. So off of this graph, is that one even or odd? And then is that one even or odd? All right, let's go over the answer. So this one is an even function because the arrows both go down. And then this one is considered an odd degree function because the highest exponent is 3. So that is the difference between even and odd.